Hey guys, welcome back. This is the brand new wegear and Cherry PIXIU98 mechanical keyboard, a calibration that brings together Cherry's world-famous switch technology and wegear's high-performance engineering. If you're into gaming, fast response times, or just love premium keyboards, this one is honestly on another level. Today, I'm giving you a full hands-on review, unboxing and performance test so you can see exactly what makes this keyboard stand out. So let's open it up and check it out. So right off the bat, it looks beautiful. It would make a great gift. So inside the box, you get the keyboard, a 2.4 gigahertz dongle, the USB Type-C braided cable, and a keycap puller, a switch puller, and your documentation. Right away, the design looks really clean. The build feels solid. The layout is compact, but still full-featured thanks to the 98 key arrangement. And you can tell this collaboration wasn't thrown together. Cherry brings the switch expertise, wegear brings the performance hardware, and the result is something that feels crafted for serious gamers and creators. Taking a closer look at the case and keycaps, you get those pudding-style keycaps with a PBT top and a translucent PC sides. That means the RGB colors have room to shine through with way more diffusion than regular caps. The whole keyboard glows evenly and just looks premium. The PIXIU98 is also fully hot swappable, so every single key can be pulled and replaced using this tool. If you want to change the switches later, silent ones, linear ones, heavy tactiles, it's all plug and play. No soldering, no special tools beyond what's included. It's very creator friendly and very maintenance friendly. Okay, so here's the big thing that sets this keyboard apart. And honestly, the main reason it exists. 8,000 Hz wired polling rate and 4,000 Hz wireless. That's insane. Most standard wireless keyboards, 125 Hz. This one is 32 times faster, even when wireless. At 8K wired and 4K wireless, you're getting near zero input delay, as low as 0.3 milliseconds. That means the key press is registered almost instantly. In fast shooters, rhythm games, MOBAs, that difference is huge. You feel it immediately. No lag, no mushy delay, no dropped inputs. This is esports level performance, but without having to sacrifice wireless freedom. If you play competitive games or even just want super responsive typing, this is one of the fastest keyboards on the market, period. Now let's talk about what your fingertips actually feel. The Cherry MX2A brown switches. These are Cherry's upgraded version of their classic browns. Here's what stands out. Short actuation travel, so it registers faster. Crisp tactical bump, consistent sensing, they don't get scratchy or unstable over time. Satisfying sound profile, not clicky, not silent, that perfect middle. Typing on these is honestly addicting. For gaming, they're fast. For typing, they're comfortable. They strike that perfect balance between performance and feel. I'll give you a quick sound test. If you like tactiles but don't want something overly loud or heavy, the MX2A Browns hit the sweet spot. I tested the keyboard using software that measures latency and polling rate as well. Wireless mode really held 4,000 Hz, and wired hit the full 8,000 Hz. In a first-person shooter game, the difference was immediately noticeable, especially when click-tapping movement or firing rapidly. Everything feels sharper, more responsive, and more controlled. And most importantly, the wireless mode barely feels like wireless at all. It's closer to a high-end wired gaming keyboard than any traditional Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz board. For RGB fans, the PIXIU98 gives you full 16.8 million color customization with tons of lighting modes. Between the pudding keycaps and the translucent sides, the lighting looks brighter, smoother, and way more diffused than typical keyboards. It has that premium gaming desk aesthetic without looking overdone. Overall user experience, super comfortable, super responsive, and visually one of the best looking boards in this price range. To wrap it up, the wegear and Cherry PIXIU98 brings together 8K wired and 4K wireless performance, Cherry MX2A brown switches, full hot swap support, pudding keycaps with incredible RGB colors, a compact but fully capable 98 key layout, If you want a keyboard that delivers top-tier responsiveness without giving up that wireless freedom, this one absolutely delivers. Check out the link in the description to see current pricing and availability. And let me know in the comments if you want a comparison against another 4K wireless board. Click the exclusive link in the description of this video to enjoy the lowest price ever.